Let me check my phone.
Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we make nice road trip game Ride with us. A beautiful mountain route that connects Sparta with Kalamata. We started 6 motorbikes from Athens. To reach Kalamata we need about 5 hours of drive. Up to Corinthia we follow the highway, then we go out and enter in the provincial road. Today we are 6 guys. The bike was Tiger Rally Pro, my bike, 1200, BMW GS 1250, Triumph Tiger 800, Tracer 9 and Tracer 9 GT, and one BMW 1000 extra.
Feel me.
The route was fantastic for motorbikes. As always, we use back roads to go to whatever we like to, for a road trip. We don't use normally highway. Somewhere in the middle of the route, we found a coffee. We made a stop for a drink of coffee and water, etc. The temperature of on the mountain was playing around 16 degrees, and the asphalt was found at good condition. As you see, everything is blooming. As we were sitting in the cafe, I saw a dirt path that eventually Nikos and I did not resist and we made round to trace it. Somewhere the limits were set for Nikos Racer and we went back to the rest of the team who's sitting in the cafe. As you see, the Rally Pro great off-road machine. Only the tires they can set the limits for this bike. After that, we start again to the road for the Kalamata to continue our road go down. We were it in a tavern in front of the sea, the beautiful sea. So at that moment, we realized that the bike of our friend Philippos does not have oil inside of the engine. Immediately found the shop, put some oil inside. After that, we choose to return from highway and take care about Philippos' bike. Thank you for watching. And we return back with more videos.